Hello guys, in this video we'll learn about how to make the site with the help of all the tools present on the left side, right? So first we will start marking the boundary. We will go to the model, flat roof. We will zoom in for better accuracy, like this one. I will hit enter for the last line. Now the boundary is completed. I have marked the half of the boundary because other half is the which is the mirror, right? So I have marked the boundary with the help of the flat roof. I will go to the obstruction, cylinder, zoom in, mark the cylinder like this, add the height as 0.6, hit enter, Ctrl C, Ctrl V for copy paste, and move it like here. Then we will press Ctrl C, Ctrl V for repeat the tool, because this is repeating after equidistance, right? So I will press R on my keyboard after Ctrl V. Then I will press on my screen that how many times I want to repeat that. So I want to repeat it 10 times. So I will have 10 on my keyboard. Then make sure the 3 of them are aligned correctly. So other 7 will be aligned correctly as well, like this one. Right, the last 2 are not aligned, so I will click and hold and align it at proper location like this. I will select the last one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, press R and 3 because it's 4 times, so backspace 4, right? So I will place it over here. After that, there are some obstruction as well, like this is the skylight. So we'll go to the obstruction, select the polygon, make an obstruction like this one. Like you can see, the side area that we call it the blue highlighted area, that we call it the setback. The setback is outside, so setback outside is so much, that is 0.5. I will reserve to the 0.1. Now, there is a one toggle as well that we call that a flush type toggle. Flush type toggle means it will take the base height and the tilt and the azimuth from the below roof, right? I will enable this and update this. I will select the roof, give the tilt as the 6 degree and base height as 8 meters and azimuth toward east side and update it. Now let's see in 3D. You can see it is tilted in a east side as well, the setback, the skylight as well. Now we will go to the 2D by double 2. Double 2 is for 2D and double 3 is for 3D. Then I will select the polygon, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V and press R and 3 because 4th one is not repeated at the same distance. So that's why I have repeated only 3 times. Now I will press the Ctrl V again, paste it over here. Now Ctrl C, Ctrl V, R 3 and I will place it over here. Now you can see the last one length is higher, so I will select that and stretch it. Now I have placed the skylight as well. Next we will use the walkway to place it here. Select the walkway, place the walkway for walking distance so that we can clean the panel as well, like this one. I can increase the width and height from here. I will add the handrail as well. I will go to the obstruction, go to handrail, zoom in. I will make sure the handrail should be inside the roof, like this one. I will start from inside, go here, zoom out. I will go in down. Then I will click here. Then I will press the complete button. Now you can see the handrail is created. The handle default height is 0.9 meter. That is approximately equal to 3 foot. I will go to the 3D. That's how my half of the roof is complete. Now only thing which is left is placing the panel, right? We will do in the next video. Thank you.